I ain't drunk. I'm just drinking. But you're so high. Oh man, you know I ain't high. But you're so high. Yeah, well I just take a little sip every now and then. But you're so high. You ought to be ashamed of yourself. Drunk all oh, come on now, you all don't feel like that.
Hey kids, welcome back. JJ's Cheap Ass Hat Cam. What we're going to do today with some booze and a Mocha JJ. This is one of my Speed Demon Turbo Mocha JJs. This one's got the Roto Twist. Yeah, sorry, Roto. I was thinking Roto Twister. Roto Geeks 1400 4000 kVs. Bam. It's just absolutely fucking insane bird. So we're gonna do something a little fun today. We might blow this up, but you guys have seen me fly these. They do 100 miles an hour or whatever the hell it is, and I usually fly them on 850 milliamp 4S. And we all know it'll fly at 460, which these are crap, by the way, don't buy them. But people ask me all the time, have you tried it on a 1300 4S and all that other stuff? So I'm like, well, you know what, let's have some fun. Let's see what it will lift, okay? I forgot my adapter. So what we did, since the Mocha JJ has an XT30 on it, I made a little special adapter right here, which is an XT30 to an XT60. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do some weightlifting with the Mocha JJ. So we're gonna put these in order of weight. This is a 4S 5000 milliamp that I built for a wing last year. Let's see, here's a 1300, this is what I fly my big birds with. I think these are about the same, we'll test them both, fuck it. This is a 4S 1300, which is what most of us fly with, 4S 5000, 2200 3S, which we might just leave out because, I think it's about the same, 4000 3S, and a 3000 3S. Let's just see what happens, fuck it. We might be blowing some ESCs up today, but this is just fun. All there is to it. So first thing we're going to try is a 1300, what we all fly with, most of us fly with anyway. And we're just using Sherlock tape on the back. This is going to be so stupid looking. All right, probably chop it up. All right, let's see what happens. Angle mode, 1300. Easy, no problem. She's struggling though. All right. Now, these are not very gotcha props, okay? These props are kind of, ooh, those are hot already. These props are kind of puss. So that worked out. Let's try a 3S 3000. Will it reach? Sure. All right. This is fun. All right, cool. That's a big ass fat battery. Yep, the motors are warm, son. We're gonna try it again. So that was a 3000 3S, pretty heavy. Here's a 4000 3S. How stupid looking is this, right? Grab our adapter. Been drinking. Always drinking. All right, so let's see what this does. Look at that flying brick. Oop. Hitting. Let's see. Uh-oh. I think we fried a motor. Hang on. All right, what we had, I actually had a motor bolt that was gone and a couple that were loose, so feels normal again. Let's see what happens. 4000 3S. Oops. That's so stupid. We're gonna take this one off lightly. Yeah. All right. Wicked. All right, so that worked out. What's next? That's it. The next one's the beast, the 5000 4S. I really have my doubts on this one. But we're gonna try it. This is stupid. This thing weighs like 8 pounds. I don't even know how to do it. Yeah, that might work. Nope. Didn't really, when I built this battery, and I did build this battery, it's a homemade battery, I didn't really intend for it to fly on this style. Alright, let's see what happens. Oh, weightlifting. Alright, this is like a deadlift. You guys have to admit, that's pretty fucking cool. And that's what it's about. It's about having fun. Look at that. Let's weigh this thing on the scale that only tells fibs. This is what I call the Fat Boy 4S 5000. So the Mocha JJ on the 4000 kV, and obviously you wouldn't fly with any of this crap, but it's still fun, is what? 500 grams. 500 grams by itself. Now, something else I want to say about this little test that we just did. All of these batteries, except for the 13 maybe, were on storage charge. None of them were on full charge. So it had enough kick to pull those up. That's pretty freaking impressive. Doesn't sound too good though. It's alright. Let's see what happens. Alright, so we're going to take our little piece of crap Lumineer 4S. Do not buy these. They suck. They suck bad, guys. Seriously. They're not JJ proof at all. Let's see if that motor's fucked or not. Huh. Seems okay to me. Doesn't sound too good. Bad to the bone, boys. Alright, there you go. Mocha JJ weightlifting at Gold's Gym. Motor's a little warm. Yeah, I don't know what that is. That's okay. Runs fine. So, anyway, kids, just a little bit of fun. Take care. Bye.
Bam, JJ! Hope you like fishing. Bam, JJ! Hey, JJ! Hope you like fishing.